Hello students, today we are going to learn the basic introduction of decimals with the help of examples. So taking the first example, we need to write the following numbers as decimals. So first one is 9 by 10. We can directly count the number of zeros after the one in denominator and put the decimals, counting the digits from the rightmost. So this is equals to 0.9. Second one is 37 by 100. So in denominator, we are having 100. So two decimal places will be there. So 7 and 3, we count them and put 0.37. Now same way. The third one is 348 by 100,000. So in 1000, after 1, we are having 3 decimal places. So we will be putting this is as 0.348. Okay, now you can see because in 9 by 10, we are having only 1 0. So we are having 1 decimal place. In 37 by 100, we are having 1, then 00. So in the answer, we are having 2 decimal places, and third one is 348 by 1000. So in the denominator, we are having 1000, which is 3 zeros. So 3 decimal places we are having. Now, taking some more examples, like these are as directly we have done the decimal fraction converted into decimal numbers. Okay, so we are going to take one more example, which is 7 by 100. Now 100 is having 2 zeros. That means it should be 2 decimal places. So we are having only one digit in the numerator, which is 7. So how we can write this 7 in the terms of 2 decimal places? We will put a 0. Okay, so 7 can be written as 07 in 2 decimal places. So the answer is 0.07. Okay, now going to take another example, which is 213 by 1000. 2 is a whole number, so it will come in front. So this is 2. Now point. Now in the denominator, we are having 1000, that is 3 zeros, so we will be needing 3 decimal places. Now 13, how we can write this 13 into 3 decimal places as 0, 1 and 3? So the answer is 2.013. Okay, next one. Now we are having the next thing is 1 by 5. Now we always converted when we have 1 and then zeros like 1, 10, 100, thousands. But here in this, we are having 5 in the denominator. So how we can convert this 5 into 10? By multiplying by 2. So 5 is multiplied by 2, we are getting 10. So we need to again multiply the numerator by the same digit, that is 2. So we have got the equivalent fraction, that is 2 by 10, and its decimal form will be 0.2, which is 1 decimal place. Okay. Now, taking another example like 9 by 20. Now, this is 20. Again, we need a multiple of tens in powers of tens in the denominator. So this 20 will be multiplied by 5 to get 100. So same way we can have 9 multiplied by 5 as the numerator, which will give you 45 by 100. Now in 100 we are having 2 zeros, so it will be 2 decimal places, that is 0.45. So these were few examples to do, okay, to remember how we convert them. So that's all for today's class. Thank you. We will continue